Welcome to Kicking It with Z, where we learn, explore, and empower kids. My name is Zara, but you can call me Z. Today we're going to make a lovely Valentine's Day treat for your friends and family. Chocolate-covered strawberries! They're beautiful to look at and are so delicious. I know these look pretty fancy, but did you know you can make these at home? Let me show you how. Always pick the freshest strawberries you can find. Take them out of the fridge and wash them thoroughly. They have to be at room temperature or else the chocolate won't stick. Here we have red strawberries and pine berries. Pine berries are white strawberries with a pineapple flavor. Delicious. Let's learn some fun facts about strawberries. Did you know that strawberries are not actually a true berry and they belong to the rose family? This is what a plant looks like. Each little flower will produce one fruit. Strawberries can easily be planted in a home garden. Did you know that strawberries have been used in ancient Rome as a medicinal herb? The strawberry we know today didn't appear until the 1700s in France and Chile. Alright guys, let's get started. As you see, we'll need strawberries. You'll also need dark chocolate and white chocolate melting wafers and sprinkles for decoration. It helps to have a skewer to dip the strawberries. We're going to use about a cup. You'll need to melt the wafers in the microwave for about 30 seconds at a time. Alright, we're ready to dip. While they're still melted, I'm going to add a heart. Maybe two. Now I'm going to sprinkle. Alright, we're ready for the white chocolate. Guys, we're going to get ready to dip. Ooh, that looks so good. You want to make this extra fancy? We can do sugar-rimmed glasses for grape juice. Let me show you how. You're going to need a little bit of water in a bowl and some colored sugar. So first, dip it in water and into the sugar is ready. Now look how the rim has the sugar on it. Ooh, that one looks way better. Lastly, we're going to garnish with the strawberry. Let me get my kid knife. I'm going to cut off the top of the strawberry and cut a little slot in between the strawberry. And we'll find a space. Ta-da! One more. Ta-da! Here we have some sparkling red grape juice. You need a grown-up to help open the bottle for you. Then pour some in. Do you know why sparkling grape juice is served in a flute? It's because a narrow glass helps the bubbles not fizz away so quickly. It keeps the drink refreshing. We did it, guys! We hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit like and subscribe to support my channel. Cheers to you, my friends, and happy Valentine's Day. This is Zara signing off. And remember, guys, dream big, work hard, and be kind. Strawberries can Strawberries can easily be planted in a home garden.